In this guide, I'll walk you through how to use Anki, even if you've never touched it before. You'll be able to create an account, build your first deck, start studying, and get results faster and more efficiently. So let's jump straight in. Anki feels like a normal flashcard app at first, but its real power comes from spaced repetition. It shows you a piece of information right before you're about to forget it. That timing is scientifically proven to boost memory while keeping your study time lower than traditional studying. There are a few ways to use Anki: the web version, the mobile app, and the desktop app. For this tutorial, I will use the desktop app. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Anki. Click on the first link. On this web page, click on Download Anki. Now select the app version from here and download it. After downloading, click on the launcher. In the pop-up, click on Install. In this command menu, type 1 and press Enter. Wait a moment for the app to finish downloading. After the download is complete, close this window. On this pop-up, select your preferred language and click OK. Once Anki opens, you'll see your dashboard. At the bottom, click Create Deck. Give it a name that matches the topic you're studying. Now the deck appears in your list and you're set to start adding cards. Click into your deck and hit Add. You'll see two main boxes. The front is the question and the back is the answer. For example, what comes after 2? And the answer is 3. This creates a simple card. You can change fonts or colors if you want, but it's not necessary. What really helps is adding things that make the card more memorable to your brain. Two things that improve your cards instantly are audio and images. You can record your own audio with the microphone icon, especially useful for language learners, or attach visuals using the paperclip. It could be a picture, a chart, a diagram, anything that helps you link the idea to an image. Don't overthink it. Choose something that works and keep going. After you are done, click on Add. Once you've added a few cards, hit Study Now to begin. You'll see the question, click Show Answer, and then choose one of the options Anki gives you, like hard, good, or easy. These choices tell Anki how soon to show that card again. If it felt tough, hit hard. If it was fine, tap good. If it was super easy, choose easy. This is how Anki builds the perfect review schedule for you. The top menu has a few other options you'll use from time to time. Browse lets you search through any card when you want to find something quickly. Stats shows graphs of what you've studied and how you're improving over time. Sync updates all your devices if you're using the web version or the mobile app alongside the desktop one. If you want to go further than basic cards, Anki has more templates. Click on Add, then Card Type. Basic and reverse cards create 2 flashcards automatically, one front to back and one back to front, which is great for vocabulary in both directions. Close cards work like fill-in-the-blank questions. Anki also has a massive library of shared decks made by other users. If you want to try them, click Get Shared. This will open a website in the browser. Here, you can search for the topic you are looking for. Anki will provide you with a large number of lists containing other people's decks. Select a deck you like. Scroll on the page and click on Download. Once the deck is downloaded, go back to Anki and click on Import. Now select your downloaded file and import it. After importing, you can see that you can now access your downloaded deck. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found a real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.